streak, alam mo yan.
Yeah, it happens naman. It happens naman. Mas ubod na rin yung win streak kaysa losing streak, diba? So, okay na rin yan. It happens naman. Galing naman ng Meralco. So, it's not like, you know, they played very well. We kept in the game. Pero nung third quarter, medyo malagwa. So, yeah. And they shot so well. Yeah. Took advantage of their size.
Hindi pa quarterfinals.
I don't know. Hindi ko alam eh. I'm not sure of the number.
Sana lang, coach.
Sa top 4, I think. 7 will make it to the top 4.
For now, quarterfinals. 7.
7.
Yes.
Yeah, we have 3 games to do. Yeah, we have 3 games. I don't know the... Basta, alam ko lang kailangan manalo. Whether it is 7, 8, 9, basta kailangan manalo.
Pero yung moral ng team,
Mataas naman eh. It's hard naman. Mabuti kung 2-6 kami. Yun, medyo... But you're 6-2. Yeah, you're 6-2. Then the important thing is, here on coach. So the important thing is, maka-recover kami. Yun, kasi siyempre, something new sa amin ko, di ba? Winning streak, natalo, kailangan matuto kami mag-recover. So, ganun lang yun. We are in the, hindi naman sinasabing infancy stage, but you know, we have to encounter a lot of scenarios to improve the team. Lahat ng scenario kung ano man ang iba to, ngayon, winning streak, natalo, paano? Diba? Paano gagawin natin? So, hindi naman tayo San Miguel, na kayang mag-10 panalo. Hindi naman tayo rin. But you want to get there eventually. So, this is all part of it.
Coach, any update on Fajardo?
Na lang din, na Charlie Horse lang sabi. Pero nagbukol eh, so we don't know how long it will take.
Maganda pa naman nilalaro. Maganda pa naman nilalaro.
6-1, sentro, paano yun? Hindi ba? Paano yun? Hindi naman, mga 6-2 naman. Hindi ba? So, ano talaga?
ano, nakakalakad siya, coach? O...
Nakakalakad na. Kaya lang siyempre medyo nanigas na. Shepherds!
Okay.
Bawi. Thank you.